Hello everyone, welcome. Today I am going to walk through you directly a really exciting Python project called Agentic RAG multi-tool pipeline. The script is called Agentic RAG multi-tool pipeline, and what makes it special that it combines three completely different AI capabilities into one single interactive tool. It can search through local PDF documents, and it can go out to the web for live information, and it can get like printing general answers directly from using LLM. And all of this happens intelligently. The system decides on its own which tool to use for each question. Okay. I'll just turn it. Okay. Okay. So this is the project, and this is the Agentic RAG multi-tool PY. So I'm just skipping the first few lines. So first few lines, what it does is it just reads all the documents and read the data into one single doc. So as a single. Okay. So here run, start debugging. Okay, so here it has loaded all the documents, and we are using this character text splitter for creating the chunks. Chunks are nothing but the PDF files. So here I am creating the chunks based on I'm specifying the size, character chunk size, and the chunk overlap. Now you can see, so these are all the chunks: 1 chunk, 2 chunk, 3 chunk, 4 chunk, 5 chunk. Okay. Next thing is it will create embeddings. So from the embeddings we will create a FAISS index. Okay, the FAISS is ready. So you can see the project. So these are the FAISS. It is a FAISS index. This FAISS is a search engine for the vector database. Here we have created vector store. So in this it will search. So the FAISS is ready. Next thing is query, this function. So whenever it sees right, it expects some query. If this is true, what should happen? We will go to LLM. It is just creating LLM. Okay, so here is where it prompts the user what kind of data you want to enter, what kind of query. See this one. If this is true, it will ask user to enter. So here we are going to enter. So I have saved somewhere data. I'll use it. OpenAI cloud. No. What kind of what data? Sorry, I forgot somewhere. Okay, so loans are available. Good. Okay, I hit enter. So here comes the query. It will just check, and it will just check the query. What kind of query is this? It will go to this question, ask question. It will come here. See, I'm just putting breakpoint. Okay, it came here, and we are passing this query. Okay, so this is a check for if else. If the keywords contains any of these right, it will make the decision as search. So it is search. If it is search means it will do a RAG search. It is a search. It uses FAISS. Okay, and it will do a vector search. That means it will search the PDF files. Yeah, it prints the results, and it uses the context. and prints. Okay, after that we are just fine tuning your helpful assistant, and this is the context. The context is nothing but home loans have lower interest rates, all these policies, this everything I have defined in the context. And the query is this, right? Okay, and it will invoke the LLM will invoke the prompt based on the context and the query. You can see the response, right? Response.content. So you can see, right, this is the final answer. Right, see, these answer we have got. Okay, so if you want to exit, you can use exit. It will break. Okay, so we will run again. We will check for a different prompt. Start debugging. Okay, so we'll move further. The same code which we have ran earlier, right? The same one. Okay, now it will prompt. So here we are going to enter who is the president. The tape is now completely president of India. Hit enter. It comes here and checks the query. Ask question, what kind of query is this? Here comes, and it checks whether it is search or web. See, it is not a search, right? It doesn't fall under this category, so it comes here. It will check this. No, it is not even web. So it will directly invoke the prompt. Using LLM it will invoke. We'll see what is the answer. It is not web. It directly goes to answer. Okay, so whenever the decision is answer right, it will directly invoke using LLM. It is using neither FAISS search nor web, right? Okay, so you can see the response at the bottom of the screen, terminal. See, as of my latest update in October 2003, the President of India is Draupadi Murmu. So she is the president, right? So this is one combination. So I'm stopping this. Again I'm running. Okay, so let's know. Okay, we'll debug it. Okay, we'll directly run it. Okay, we'll directly run it rather than debugging every time, because every time we are doing the same, right? So it doesn't make sense. So we'll directly run it. So here it is asking. So I'm writing some funny text. I want to die. I'm hungry. I want to die. It looks very weird, but yeah. So see, we'll see. It went to fallback. See, we can see the response, right? It gave the response. I am really sorry to hear that you are feeling this way. It is very important you talk to someone. I want to quit. Exit. Okay, now again we'll run and start debugging. Oops, it is here, right? Okay guys, so that's it guys. It is Agentic AI multi-tool. Okay guys, I have the presentation. I won't voice out. You can just have a look. I'll just directly share on the link here. It's the same thing. Same thing. It is called Agentic RAG multi-tool pipeline. It is intelligent routing across PDF knowledge, web search and LLM reasoning. It's a combination of RAG and Agentic. So three different engines. One is search, locally it will search the PDF, and another is web, and is the direct answer by LLM. How it works is the same thing, the flow which I have debugged and showed, right? It loads the PDF, it creates the chunks using character text splitter. After that we are creating embeddings. After that again we are creating the FAISS index, and again the starting low. You can just have a look. It's very simple. The same one. Here I used DuckDuckGo live search. So this is the search engine. And in the real time, right, this this agentic RAG, right? So it depends upon the context of the business. It's customized. That's it guys, I wanted to show. I'm just stopping. Hope this helps, and this is very basic. You might feel basic, so it's a very good for learning purpose.